Hi guys, welcome back to MAD, and we are continuing the series of Talk with Toppers. So, today we have Ashish Kankal with us, who has secured all near rank 62 in computer science branch. Ashish, I would request you to introduce yourself to the audience. Yeah, please go ahead.
Sure, sir. Hello all. So my name is Ashish. I have graduated in 2017 from Government College of Engineering, Amravati.
Mm-hmm,
After that, I got a campus placement offer in final year.
mm-hmm.
So I have worked for almost 2 years,
Okay,
and then I decided to go for GATE preparation, and I have secured All India rank 62.
okay, that's pretty good rank. So I think यहाँ से start करते हैं फिर आपने बोला कि you have already worked for 2 years, right? So
Right.
what was your interest to go back and then prepare for GATE? What was your motivation?
Right. So my motivation was like during high school, I always wanted to study from good institutes like IITs.
Correct,
But at that time, I was not able to crack JEE Advanced.
correct.
So I didn't get a chance to study
Mm-hmm.
from that institute. So I thought I should take a chance and try once to uh, again prepare for GATE,
Correct,
and rather than to feel regret in future.
correct, correct, correct. सो जब लाइक बहुत लोगों के पास ये क्वेश्चंस आते हैं राइट कि सर अभी मैं जॉब कर रहा हूँ अब मैं ड्रॉप करूँ या फिर मैं जॉब के साथ साथ ही पढ़ लूँ तो आपने लाइक
Right.
ड्रॉप किया जॉब से या फिर आप साथ साथ ही पढ़ रहे थे
Yeah, so I tried कि मैं parallelly भी पढूं job के साथ, but it completely depends on your job profile and how much time you get after your office hours, right?
करेक्ट
So it is not always possible for all the working professionals. So in my case, I thought that I should take a drop and then prepare it well and then crack the gate.
ओके ठीक है तो आप उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और डिटेल में बताएंगे कि लाइक आपको कितना टाइम मिलता था और कितना टाइम सफिशिएंट रहता है लोगों के लिए अगर उनको इतना मिल रहा है दैट इज फाइन अदरवाइज दे शुड ड्रॉप इट
Right. So time it actually depends how much comfortable with you are with your subjects. Like
करेक्ट
in my case, I was already passed out in 2017,
करेक्ट
so almost a gap of 2 years.
करेक्ट
So I was not that much connected with the studies and curriculum that is required for cracking it.
करेक्ट
So I have to put more number of hours than a regular college going student should put.
करेक्ट
So that dedicated time I was not able to give. So
करेक्ट
it was very fluctuating. Sometimes I used to get 3 hours, sometimes more. I used to utilize weekends also.
करेक्ट
However, it was possible for me. I have tried along with job,
करेक्ट
but for cracking it, you should be punctual
Mhm,
and should put dedicated 3 to 4 hours at least
mhm,
in the morning or maybe in the evening as per your officers,
mhm,
but it was not in my case. So I thought it would be good for me
mhm,
to take a drop
mhm.
and put more number of hours daily in the preparation.
Okay. So, what was your mode of preparation after you dropped out? Like, did you did any coaching or it was pure self study? And for how much time did you prepare?
Right. So as I said that it was almost 2 years.
Mhm,
So I thought it would be better for me to join coaching
mhm,
and to get some guidance and to keep myself motivated.
mhm.
And it's always good to study in that competitive environment.
Correct.
And I used to attend classes in the morning,
Mhm,
and after that I used to have lunch. If
mhm,
I feel that I should take rest, then I used to do that,
mhm,
and after that I used to prepare.
mhm,
So talking about the hours, I generally used to prepare for 8 to 10 hours,
mhm,
but it was quite flexible. And I was also working as a freelance developer during my preparation,
mhm.
so I used to spend 3 to 4 hours in that also.
Okay. Okay. So, which coaching you did you join?
Yeah, so I joined Ace Academy Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay. And apart from that, obviously, I think then you have joined the test series also, right? From
Right.
correct. Did you join just one test series of ACE or you joined multiple test series?
Yeah, so I joined multiple test series,
Mm-hmm.
but my focus was mainly on two test series.
Mm-hmm.
One which is provided by Ace Academy and other one by MadeEasy.
Correct.
So both the test series were helpful for me.
Mm-hmm.
So talking about the difficulty level, I think the test series provided by ACE Academy is comparatively easier, and the test series provided by Made Easy is bit tougher than the GATE level.
Okay.
But we should not underestimate the easy questions,
Correct.
because generally they are asked to test our speed, accuracy,
Correct.
and there is a lot of chance in committing silly mistakes in that.
Correct. Correct.
So it's good to have a balance in both the test series.
Correct.
After that, before I think 1 month before to the GATE exam, I thought that I should attempt more test series, more full length mock tests. So I also joined for Ravindra Babu Ravula sir test series, which
Okay.
is also popular for GATE CSE students.
Okay. Okay. Now coming to the subjects for computer science.
Right.
So because I being from mechanical, so if you can just help us that what main subjects are there for computer science that should be focused on, and what
Right.
material you refer to. Is it just the standard books or some reference
Right.
material or some NPTEL courses or something?
Right. Yeah, so talking about the subjects, the main focus of computer science is, I think, DS, programming and algorithms. So it covers a lot of weightage. After that, other subjects are like DBMS, TOC, and computer organization, OS, and also mathematics and aptitude covers a lot of weightage in GATE. So I mainly material was provided by coaching, and apart from that I prepared my class notes, so that were more than sufficient for me. Apart from that, I also referred online resources like Geeks for Geeks is there, GradeUp, and Gate Overflow. And talking about the standard books, I not referred much, just for few topics where I feel that I need more clarity. So I used to refer that.
Okay. Any particular books that you would like to mention that, okay, these books are very good. And if someone is from
Right.
CS, he should definitely go through these books.
Yeah. So the books which I referred for OS, the most famous book is Galvin. So I used to read few concepts from that. For computer organization, there is Maurice Mano book, that is good. And for computer networks, there is Forozon. And discrete mathematics, there is Kenneth Rosen. So these four books I refer.
Okay. Okay. Now, one question, like, I mean, because you have been doing job and then you drop, so there is also motivation factor. That's how I should keep myself motivated. There is also a
Right.
kind of thing that, okay, if what if I fail, right?
Right.
So how did you cope up with that?
Yeah, so that was the factor. Sometimes I felt that I am again going into back into studies,
Correct.
even though I am having a job life and all.
Correct.
But I keep on motivating that it was my unfulfilled dream in the past.
Correct.
So I have still chance to do that.
Correct.
So that was my main motivation,
Correct.
and I was already having some experience. So I thought that I could do the job later also,
Correct.
but for now I should try once.
Correct. 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 And what is which college you are going to join now, or you have kind of applied to various colleges? So which one have you finalized?
Right. So mainly I have applied for ISC and other top IITs, but I have decided to join ISC Bangalore.
Okay. So based on, obviously, like we all know that ISC Bangalore is one of the
Right.
best for guys. So, but again, if someone asks you from a computer science background,
Right.
if I just want to say top 3 colleges or 4 colleges, so what would
Right.
you recommend? Is it like ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, Delhi, and yeah?
Right, right. So mainly, again, there are views. Means some prefer IIT Bombay or ISC Bangalore also,
Correct.
because yeah, like I was having a dream to study in the top colleges like IIT.
Correct.
So mostly prefer, but both are equivalent college.
Correct.
So I think ISC Bangalore, IIT Bombay, IIT Delhi, all
Correct.
the colleges are good.
Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Now, what was your strategy in the examination hall? So once we have prepared and we are in the examination hall, so like, did you try to solve the questions that you know first and quickly solve them, or you waited even if you are not able to solve? So what was your strategy?
Right. So during while attempting mock test, I tried all these strategies, and I thought that I means these strategies were not much improving my score.
Okay.
So I thought that I should keep the flow of the question paper.
Mm-hmm.
So I just followed that only,
Okay.
because it takes some time to read the question and to then
Correct.
analyze that, do we able to solve this or not.
Correct.
So it takes some time.
Correct.
So I kept the natural flow.
Okay. So even in the natural flow, if you get stuck, so for example, if you're not able to
Right.
do it in 1 minute or 2 minutes, so how much time did
Right.
you took that? Okay, let's skip it and go to the other question.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have kept the threshold of 3 minutes.
Okay.
After 3 minutes, if it takes some time, then I used to skip. And if I get time later, then I will revisit that question.
Correct. Correct. Correct.
Yeah.
Uh, any particular, because you mentioned that you tried a lot of different methods during your mock tests.
Right.
So
Yeah.
anything, what was your conclusion that, okay, definitely I know it depends on individual to individual that what
Right.
him
Yeah.
best, but still
Yeah.
just a recommendation that, okay, if you are getting stuck in one of the questions for too long, please don't spend that much time. Please move
Right.
forward and then go back. So what was your recommendation?
Yeah. So generally, mostly first aptitude is always first section in the question paper. So
Oh,
most of
so
the
now is the first one, is it? Because I think in
yeah, yeah.
our case, it was like that one number questions of 25 marks was the first one, and then 2 marks questions, and then the aptitude was at the last.
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
So in most of the test series, aptitude was also at the last.
Okay.
So I have kept it flexible,
Uh-huh.
but yeah, means it up to you how you want to try.
Correct.
But in my case, I have tried attempting aptitude first, because aptitude are generally easy
Correct.
questions,
Correct.
and just there is we should not commit silly mistake in that.
Correct.
If we are able to solve aptitude questions, then we gain some kind of confidence that we can now solve other questions also.
Correct.
Yeah.
So, and specifically for aptitude, did you studied anything particular for that, or is it? I mean, because these are simple questions, so you didn't spend much time on that one.
Right. So while attempting test series,
Mm-hmm.
I used to solve only that aptitude.
Okay.
And if I felt that I need to revise some formulas to speed up my calculation,
Mm-hmm.
so I used to do that.
Okay.
But compared to technical subject, I have not studied that much of aptitude.
Correct. Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
And what about the notes that are helpful for your last minute revision? So, did you prepare the notes, or it was everything in your mind previously? Yeah.
Yeah, sir. Actually, there are a lot of subjects in GATE,
Correct.
and while attempting the exam, we have to keep all these things in mind and then to solve our questions.
Correct.
So I have prepared last minute notes also
Correct.
when my syllabus was complete,
Correct.
to have a quick revision just before attempting any test,
Correct.
because revising all the notes before the test is not possible, because we have written the detailed notes, but some concepts that I feel that I am not able to remember,
Mm-hmm.
so I used to revise that.
Correct.
And after attempting test, the questions which I was not able to solve, I used to read those concepts and used to update my notes also, so
Mm-hmm.
that in the next revision cycle I go through it once.
Correct. And now coming to the extracurriculars, because I'm not sure that you can't just keep on studying all the time, right? So what was
Right.
the mode of extracurricular activities that you were doing?
Yeah. So during the preparation, like I was working as a freelance developer.
Uh-huh.
So when I felt bored, I used to do programming or coding,
Mm-hmm.
and this working time was like a refreshment time for me.
Okay.
Yeah.
And apart from that, any games or any sports or anything I know that you
No, I don't played much.
okay, okay. But people can play, right? It's not
Yeah, right, right.
mandatory
Yes.
that you have to just study and study, correct?
No, no, no. Exactly. It's up to you.
Correct, correct, correct. Uh, so now after joining ISC, what is your future plans? Like, you want to go for higher studies like PhD, or like you want to be in research phase, or then you want to come into the corporate world later on?
Right. So Firstly, there are a lot of areas in computer science to explore.
Mm-hmm.
So I have kept it flexible for now.
Mm-hmm.
I will explore the areas in computer science in the next 2 years,
Mm-hmm.
and then I will again rethink
Mm-hmm.
what I should do
Mm-hmm.
if my mind changed after going to ISC.
Mm-hmm.
So, but mostly my main priority for now is to enter into corporate after I going to ISC.
Okay. And do you know like how much rank did ISC got filled for computer science this time? Any idea?
Not exactly, but I think for general, I think it is 48 to 50.
Okay.
So yeah, and for CDS, I think it went for a bit higher.
Okay. 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 So what rank is good for computer science guys if they want to get into top 3 or 4 colleges? Is it like I think under 200 or something?
Yeah, under 200 is a safe side.
Correct.
So you should aim for top 200.
Correct.
Apart from that, yeah, so you can get for higher also, but then you may have to wait for some rounds to happen.
Correct. 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 Okay. I think that sounds fair. So, anything else that you would like to tell the new guys now who are coming up in third year or they're in fourth year? So, from which
Right,
year they should actually start preparing? Is it like some of them might think that, okay, from first or second year I should start preparing, otherwise I would fail? Or even if
right,
they prepare sincerely from fourth year itself, that is also good. Like, how much time do you
right.
think required? Like 8 months, 9 months, or 1 year?
Yeah, yeah. So 8 to 9 months is a sufficient time
Mm-hmm.
if you are taking a drop.
Mm-hmm.
And for college going students, I think you should start early because you have college activities and other assignments and exams also.
Mm-hmm.
So you may not able to give that much time.
Mm-hmm.
And I think yesterday only GATE 2021 notification has been released.
Correct.
So now third year is also eligible for GATE examination.
Correct. Correct.
So if third year student is planning for GATE exam, then I think he or she will need to start it early from I think second year.
Correct, correct, correct. Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly. Sure. One more question I want to ask you is that many students, what they do is they just take the notes of their
right,
fellow colleagues or friends. So
right.
their friend might be going to a coaching, but they just
Yeah,
just take their notes and they study from that. How good do
yeah,
you think is this process of studying just from notes, from some others' notes?
right. Actually, notes I think should be self-made because while when we study that particular concept, we have some thought in mind, and that we used to write.
Correct,
So taking someone else note, then it's just a reading material, I think.
correct,
So it may not be helpful for everyone, but yeah, it's up to you. Means if you are able to solve questions after attempting tests, then it is fine.
correct. And how notes preparing strategy was like? Did you prepare a full long notes with all the theory, or it was just the important points and the formulas, or maybe
Right.
what is there in your computer science stream? Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. So I have joined classroom coaching. So mostly I prepare the class notes only.
Mm-hmm.
So they were detailed,
Mm-hmm.
and the short notes which I prepared later after
Mm-hmm.
the course completion,
Mm-hmm.
that contains some important points that we need to memorize
Mm-hmm.
for solving some kinds of question.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Sure.
So yeah,
Sure. I think, yeah, those were the all questions that I had for you, Ashish. Thank you very
yeah,
much for joining. I hope your IC joining would be delayed due to COVID. Either it would be online
yeah,
right now or it would be delayed. Yeah. So best of luck
right.
with that.
Thank you,
And
sir.
guys, yeah, please keep sharing and subscribing, and also please press the bell icon. Otherwise, you will miss the new updates that are coming. And we would be keep taking the interviews of the new guys like Ashish who have topped in IES or GATE. So thank you, Ashish. Thank you very much again. See you
Thank you,
sometime
sir.
later. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir.
Bye.